Hi guys, welcome to Sabonzy Academy. So in today's video, we'll be solving the question 12 of the 2017 Core Math WASSCE questions. So question 12a. The operation star is defined on the set of real numbers R by S star is equal to X plus Y over 2. I. Evaluate 3 star 2 over 5. So let's begin with the solution for 12a. Now we know that X star Y is equal to X plus Y. And we are being asked to evaluate 3 star 2 over 5. In this case, our X is 3 and our Y is 2 over 5. So this whole expression can be written as 3 plus 2 over 5 all over 2. Now this is the same as 17 over 5 divided by 2. When we simplify this, we get 17 over 10. So 17 over 10 is the answer for question 12AI. Now moving on to question 12AII. If 8 star Y is equal to 8 whole number 1 over 4, find the value of Y. So we know that 8 star Y is equal to 8 whole number 1 over 4. But 8 star Y can be written as 8 plus Y over 2. And this is equal to 33 over 4. Now when we cross multiply, such that 4 multiplies 8 plus Y and 2 multiplies 33, we will have 4 into bracket 8 plus Y equals 66. Now when we expand this, you have 32 plus 4y is equal to 66. So now we group like terms. So we have 4y is equal to 66 minus 32. Now 66 minus 32, we have 34. So 4y will be equal to 34. Now to find the value of y, we divide both sides by the coefficient of y, which is 4. So we divide 4y over 4 and 34 over 4. So our y then becomes 34 over 4. And this is the same as 8.5. So that will be it for question 12AII. So we'll be moving on to question 12B. In triangle ABC, vector AB is equal to negative 4, 6. And AC is equal to 3, negative 8. And P is the midpoint of AB. Express vector CP as a column vector. So from our question, vector AB is equal to negative 4, 6. And vector AC is equal to 3, negative 8. Now let's draw the triangle. So we have this A, B, C. And we are told that P is the midpoint of AB. So this will be P, which is the midpoint of AB. All right, so this will be our diagram. Now we can say that CP is equal to CA plus AP. And CA is the same as negative AC. So our CA will be equal to negative, we know that AC is 3, negative 8. So negative 3, negative 8. And this will give us negative 3, 8. Now we also know that AP is half of AB. So AP is equal to half of AB. And we know our AB is negative 4, 6. So our AP becomes 1 over 2 multiplying negative 4, 6. And this gives us negative 2, 3. Now our CP, which is equal to CA plus AP, will be equal to negative 3, 8 plus negative 2, 3. And this can be written as negative 3, negative 2, 8 plus 3. And so this will be equal to negative 5, 11. And so our vector CP becomes negative 5, 11. So this brings us to the end of question 12. If you have any questions or you need clarifications, please don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section. And also, if you find this video very useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. So we'll be moving on to question 13.